Welcome everyone. Delighted to see you all join in. Office 365 Booster was released in May as part of our Voyager release track. Customer voice is one of the main driving factors for our product success. Thanks to your wonderful feedback, we have enhanced the booster which is available for download. I will be presenting the Office 365 features with the demo. All our backup types showcase our cutting-edge chunking technology, which makes us fast and reliable. As part of Office 365 Booster, you can protect emails, calendar, contacts, OneDrive for Business, SharePoint, and Teams files. For an organization, you can backup and restore all or some of the services listed here. One of the valuable selling points for Comet users is being in full control of their end user Office 365 data. This is achieved by bringing your own storage. With our easy storage configurations, you have the flexibility to back up to the cloud location of your choice. One of the key features is creating storage efficiency by deduplicating the data client side. Some of our popular storage providers are Wasabi, Backblaze, and AWS. Let's get into the demo. I will be using Comet Client. Add a protected item. Select Microsoft Office 365. If you are already having the Azure authentication details, enter them in the manual section. Our documentation also has how-to steps for manual authentication. Our recommendation is to use the automatic process as we have made the registration simpler and easy for you. I will walk you through the steps now. Click on the Azure Active Directory. Enter the email address. Copy the code from the Comet client and open the device login URL. Paste the code and click on Next. Choose the account to log in as the Azure administrator. Click on Continue. There is a delay here as it is performing another test connection in the background and loading the live user and group details. So you will see a pop-up displayed after the registration is successful. It is successful now. Clicking on OK, we also do an automatic test connection. This will validate the authentication for you. Clicking on Next. With all the feedback from Voyager release track, we have enhanced our interface and have improved the experience for you. For larger organization, it's easier to find the users or groups using our search and filter features. Selecting an entire organization will select all the users and groups and all their available Office 365 services. So these are highlighted to you on the right, all the services that has been selected for each of the accounts. You can also edit a particular account or select all users and choose the services of your choice. So choosing an account, you can use the edit to choose all the services, or you can choose a particular service that you want to protect for the account, and that gets highlighted on the right. Before you protect a group mailbox or shared site, you can use the member features to view all the accounts. Click on the member feature on the right, and you can see there are 17 members that are highlighted. that belongs to the Teams group. The summary section at the bottom displays the protected accounts and the calendars, contacts, mail, SharePoint sites, and OneDrives that is being protected. For the demo purposes, we are going to choose Dev Test, clicking on Next. Today we are not entering any commands or schedules. Choosing the storage of our choice. We're going to run the backup now. While the backups are running, let me show you Comet's web interface. All the features available in the Comet client are also available in the web. This is a protected item that we added from the Comet client. These are the general settings that you normally see. The authentication section, which has the manual and automatic authentication. And the items, which displays the accounts that you have chosen to select, which was the dev test, and it has all the services that's been highlighted. It also has the filter and the search on the top. So going back to our Comet client, the backup has been completed successfully. You can use the detail logs and go to the Files section to see all the mails that were backed up. Another cool feature of Comet is you can preview the emails that you have backed up. Let's look at the restore features for Office 365. Data loss is a scary issue in the IT world. Showing a disaster recovery scenario as an example, where your user loses valuable legal information from their inbox and the deleted items. From the Comet client, click on Restore. Choose the storage location which has your backup. Choose the protected item type. Choose the items that you want to restore. For this scenario, I'm choosing 4 emails. As part of the restore, you can restore it as files and folders, or you can restore it back to the original Office 365 cloud account. That is the checkbox here. You can also choose to restore it to a custom Office 365 account. So that would be a scenario where somebody has left an organization and you want to restore all their emails back to the new person who's joined in. For our demo purposes, we're going to click on restoring back to their original office location. Clicking on restore. You can see that the mails are getting populated in the inbox. They are successfully restored. Now that you have seen the Office 365 functionality, we will go over a few key features. Backup all or individual Office 365 services for users. Backup entire organization, include or exclude selected users. Our user-friendly UI makes this customization very easy for you. The data is securely encrypted during backup, transit, and rest. You can restore full mailbox or selected emails. Restore them from any point in time. One of the Office 365 highlights is restoring emails directly back to the user's mailbox. The search features will help you find accounts for larger organizations quickly. The filters will display the user groups and sites. To make Office 365 setup easier for an administrator, a streamlined automatic process has been set up to complete your Azure registration successfully. Once the credentials are populated, an automatic test connection is performed, making sure each step of your setup is robust. For $1.50 per Office 365 user, you can backup and protect all or any of the Office 365 services. Every Office 365 user backed up is referred as a protected account in our product. This is an example of pricing for an organization. The base charge to protect a device is $2. In this example, we are planning to have 3 protected accounts. So for this organization, the total cost is $650 per month. You can also use the pricing calculator on the Comet website to calculate your costs. Download the latest release to get started or sign up for our free 30-day trial. If you have any questions, send us a support ticket or email hello@cometbackup.com. Thanks for watching.